Y'all come visit us in the airport. $51 an hour, okay?
Promotion.
Oh yeah, that's it.
I know, just kidding.
Okay, yeah, I agree. And then
He really knows that closed doors too.
Hello, welcome aboard. How are you today?
Good. Just want to see, we'll get a zoom here from
I will see you tonight. I'm sure you're making it all happen.
Sometimes inspiration is hard to find, and we can feel a little bit stuck. It's time to explore new cultures and rediscover the palette of our planet, because our world is better in color. Color awakens our senses and stirs our curiosity. The best way to find it is to get out there. Because at Delta, we believe expanding your horizons will expand your world.
Welcome aboard, and thank you for choosing Delta. The health and safety of our customers and crew is our #1 priority, and the shared responsibility of everyone on board. So before we depart, please pay attention to this important message. Stow all carry-on items securely in an overhead bin, and place smaller items completely under the seat in front of you. Keep the aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas clear.
If you lose an electronic device in your seat,
Trust your lap. To release, lift the top of the buckle.
stay seated with your seat. We appreciate your understanding if our service is interrupted.
Federal regulations require all passengers to comply with all crew members' instructions, along with the posted placards and lighted information signs throughout the cabin.
Smoking, vaping, the use of e-cigarettes, or any smokeless product, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors. There are 8 exits on this plane, 8 doors, 4 on each side. 4 doors have detachable slides that can be used as rafts. An additional raft is located in an overhead bin behind the wings. In the ear covering, and place the mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing, so don't worry if the bag doesn't inflate. Between the legs. See your safety card for more information.
like the first day, Jake was like, it's on somebody.
Great landing.
All right. Thanks for flying, man. Always.
Okay. Thank you. I would have been like, move.
She didn't fall because she was getting a bag. I think she fell.
I don't care. She let me watch this. I got a place to be. I would have stomped on her.
It's a high.
Welcome the nephew of Angela Gittens, Derek Farrell.
Good evening. I am Derek Farrell, and my great aunt is Angela Gittens. Thanks to her for helping me realize that the best careers in the world are right here in aviation. At a very young age, I had an interest in planes. That all went from 1 to 100 one Christmas morning in 2009. That's when my aunt gave me my first plane model, a Dayron South African Airways Airbus A321 airport playset. By the end of that day, I'd asked her more than an earful of questions about these mighty machines, and went to bed thinking about how badly I wanted a future in the aviation industry. Jumping to November 28th, 2017, I was enjoying my final day in New York when my aunt called my grandmother and asked us if we were interested in taking an airside tour of New York's JFK. Without hesitation, I said yes. She and Bradley Rubenstein taught me a lot that day about their line of work and how airports function. But the most memorable thing about that day was the voice in my head telling me, you need to be a pilot. My family and I see her as a hard-working, caring person who throughout all points of the day you can count on. To me, I see her as a mentor. I'm her rooster and she's my maverick. Auntie Angela, thank you and congratulations.